Hey guys, this is Avinash from Money Range channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about breakout trap. Many traders fall into this trap. Even I fell into this trap and I lost a lot of money. I'm making this video so that you guys do not make the mistake what I did. So I want to help you guys avoid falling into this trap. That's why I made this video. At the end of the video, you guys will thank me a lot. So be patient. So I'm going to talk about what breakout trap is. So before talking about what breakout trap is, let's talk about what a breakout is. We call a breakout, we call a candlestick has broke through when a candlestick has broke above a resistance line and closed above the resistance line on a closing basis. What I am trying to say is, let's take this candle for example. This candle has broken out of this orange resistance line and closed above the resistance line on a closing basis. See, the body of the loop has closed above the resistance line. Okay, and what happened? See what happened when the candle broke out of the resistance line. On the next day, this has touched this resistance. So this is a perfect breakthrough. So when do we call a breakthrough a trap? I'm going to explain this. Let's fast forward this. Uh, Now I'm waiting for a candle to break out this resistance line. Wait, yes. Now when we take this candle has broken out of this resistance line. See, the price has touched high of this point, but on a closing basis, the price ended below the resistance line. But when you take here, the body of the loop ended above the resistance line. Here body of the loop, even though it was here in the beginning, it fell to this point. So this is the breakout trap. So what the mistake that traders are making is they do not wait for the candle to close. They enter their trade here before confirming whether the breakout is complete or not. So if they keep making this mistake again and again, they will lose a lot of money. You need patience. You need to wait for the candle to close. Many people want to get buy a stock at most minimal price. That is why they are buying at this point. They do not want to wait for the candle to break through. So if they keep repeating this, you will lose a lot of money. So I'm trying to help you, so hear this out. So here the candle has broken, given a perfect breakthrough and touched this resistance. But here let's see what's going to happen. This is a breakout trap. Imagine if you had entered a trade here at this point. See, what's going to happen next. It has gone down, 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 down. Might have lost a lot of money. But in this case, it gave a perfect breakthrough and it has touched the top resistance. But in this case, it is not a breakthrough, it is a breakout trap. If you had entered at this point, you would have lost a lot of money. So if you think this video has been useful to you, like, share and comment below. Thank you.